I am Shahani Claire J. Ramo, second year, taking a Bachelor of Secondary major in Physical Education. So for today's video, I will be talking about if there is a need for an education student to study research subject. First, let us define what is research. Research is a scientific and systematic investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. The term research consists of two words, re plus search. Re means again and again, and search means to find out something. Actually, research is simply the process of arriving as dependable solution to problem through the plan and systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of a data as revealed by Best and Kahn in 1998. Research provides answer to questions of what, when, how, and why of man's social life and institutions. The main purpose is to discover various facts and their interrelationship and to help us to discard distortions and contribute to our understanding of reality. In relation to education, research helps in identifying the research gaps, learning gaps at various levels of education system, and tries to bridge the gap between what is existing and what is expected. According to Morris in 1967, mentioned that research concerning social aspects of education ensure the development of children and teaching method. Research in education is important because a teacher cannot involve in effective teaching if he or she does not have knowledge of the current research. The implementation of engaging an effective learning in classroom requires teachers' knowledge of the subject, ability to implement relevant teaching strategies and assessment methods. In addition to it, the teacher should also have knowledge regarding the learning style of the different students and development teaching strategies according to it. A teacher cannot offer effective education by depending solely on theory or practice. Therefore, the teachers should have creative abilities to combine both theory and practice in classroom experience. Therefore, the teacher ability to conduct research regarding the newest technology and the teaching pedagogy is essential for education. Therefore, it can be critiqued that research holds a high importance in education. The research leads to modification in the systems or methods in their transformations, the superior techniques. In the context of the educational research, the changes can appear in pedagogy techniques such as teaching methods or strategy, for instance, the use of online educations instead of classroom. The research in education will result in adoptions of more effective or efficient teaching practices. It assesses to the students to develop their own viewpoints about certain processes and natural phenomenon about the subjects they are researching. Therefore, it is essential in the development of the cognitive and critical thinking ability of the students as stated of Pramodeni and Sophia in 2012. In educational setting, the research will assess the students in understanding the K concept and the complex theories in a much better and easier manner. If the students inculcate the habit of researching, they are almost always learning new things, examining and synthesizing information, and use their critical thinking in every situation. As for the teachers, They make learning personalized experience. Teaching methods are almost always influenced by personality of the teachers. In conclusion, research in education can help us to understand what works and why, what the short and long-term implications are, provide justifications and rationale for decision and actions, help to deal with the unexpected by identifying problems, and promotes improvement. Hence, effective implementation of research in education is what we need the most. Further, research can be extended to identify the research challenges and to provide possible, possible solutions and implementation strategies to deal with those challenges for betterment of education sector and also for the well-being of our education system as well as for our society. That's all. Thank you and God bless.